was raised in the 60s in the Penampang countryside, running barefoot through the fields with the sun shining so bright. Mama's home cooking wasn't always nice and delicious, and the neighbors were always lending a helping hand. Down by the river in Penampang, where the water runs deep and clear, singing old songs with my friends under the Borneo sky. Of our lives, we'd watch fireflies as they fly around, chase each other around the house, climbing trees, playing hide and seek, never thinking the day would end. Simple times, simple pleasures, living slow and loving me. Down by the river in Penampang, where the water runs deep and clear, singing old songs with